Unlocking the secrets of the argumentative essay. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to make English learning easy and fun for you. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that many of you have asked about: argumentative essays. Whether you're preparing for an academic test or looking to enhance your writing skills, understanding how to craft a compelling argumentative essay is key. So, let's unlock its secrets together. An argumentative essay is a type of writing that requires the writer to investigate a topic, collect, generate, and evaluate evidence, and establish a position on the topic in a concise manner. Unlike other essay types, the focus of an argumentative essay is to convince the reader of a particular point of view using logic, facts, and reasoning. It's not just about stating your opinion. It's about presenting a well-reasoned argument that persuades your audience to see things from your perspective. Every argumentative essay follows a basic structure to ensure clarity and coherence. 1. Introduction. Here, you introduce the topic, provide background information, and present your thesis statement, which is the main argument of your essay. 2. Body paragraphs. This section is the heart of your essay. Each paragraph should focus on a single idea that supports your thesis. Start with a topic sentence. Provide evidence, facts, quotes, statistics, examples, and explain how this evidence supports your thesis. 3. Counterarguments. Addressing opposing views is crucial in an argumentative essay. Present counterarguments to show you've considered other perspectives and refute them with evidence to strengthen your own position. 4. Conclusion. Summarize the main points and restate your thesis in a new light, emphasizing the importance of your argument. End with a call to action or a thought-provoking statement to leave a lasting impression on your readers. Choose a debatable topic. Your essay should address a controversial issue that allows for differing opinions. Research thoroughly. Use credible sources to gather evidence that supports your argument and refutes the opposition. Organize your essay logically. Ensure your ideas flow smoothly from one to the next, leading the reader through your argument effectively. Use clear and concise language. Avoid complex vocabulary that might confuse your readers. Clarity is key in convincing your audience. Edit and proofread. Always revise your essay for coherence, grammar, and punctuation errors to make your argument as strong as possible. We hope this guide has illuminated the path to writing an effective argumentative essay for you. Remember, the power of persuasion lies in presenting a logical, evidence-based argument that resonates with your readers. Practice, patience, and persistence are your best allies in mastering this skill. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips. Happy writing, and see you in our next video.